Title and copyright: Tamina Maiden, Ashok J. Gadgil, editors. Richard Anderson, Lorenzo Casabori, Kenneth Lee, Armin Razi, co-editors. Introduction to Development Engineering, a framework with applications from the field. Open access. Springer. Introduction to Development Engineering. Tamina Maiden, Ashok J. Gadgil, editors. Richard Anderson, Lorenzo Casabori, Kenneth Lee, Armin Razi, co-editors. Introduction to Development Engineering, a framework with applications from the field. Springer. Editors: Tamina Maiden, Center for Effective Global Action, University of California, Berkeley, Berkeley, California, USA. Ashok J. Gadgil, Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, University of California, Berkeley, Berkeley, California, USA. Co-editors: Richard Anderson, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, University of Washington, Seattle, Washington, USA. Lorenzo Casabori, Department of Economics, University of Zurich, Zurich, Switzerland. Kenneth Lee, Chief Research and Evaluation Officer, The Faro Foundation, Nairobi, Kenya. Armin Razi, Department of Economics, University of California, Davis, Davis, CA, USA. United States Agency for International Development, USAID. ISBN 978-3-030-86064-6. ISBN 978-3-030-86065-3, ebook. https://doi.org/10.1007/978-3-030-86065-3. Copyright the editors, if applicable, and the authors 2023. This book is an open access publication. Open access. This book is licensed under the terms of the Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International License. http://creativecommons.org/licenses/by/4.0/closing parenthesis. Which permits use, sharing, adaptation, distribution and reproduction in any medium or format, as long as you give appropriate credit to the original authors and the source, provide a link to the Creative Commons license and indicate if changes were made. The images or other third-party material in this book are included in the book's Creative Commons license, unless indicated otherwise in a credit line to the material. If material is not included in the book's Creative Commons license and your intended use is not permitted by statutory regulation or exceeds the permitted use, you will need to obtain permission directly from the copyright holder. The use of general descriptive names, registered names, trademarks, service marks, etc. in this publication does not imply, even in the absence of a specific statement, that such names are exempt from the relevant protective laws and regulations and therefore free for general use. The publisher, the authors, and the editors are safe to assume that the advice and information in this book are believed to be true and accurate at the date of publication. Neither the publisher nor the authors or the editors give a warranty, expressed or implied, with respect to the material contained herein or for any errors or omissions that may have been made. The publisher remains neutral with regard to jurisdictional claims in published maps and institutional affiliations. This Springer imprint is published by the registered company Springer Nature Switzerland AG. The registered company address is Gewerbstrasse 11, 6330 Cham, Switzerland. For Aditi, Arya, and Soma, T.M. For Anjali, Meghana, and Madrima, AJG.